Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I will explain how we can change support plane and support face of any sketch in FreeCAD. First, I will create a sketch on XZ plane. I will select a rectangle tool and will create a rectangle on XZ plane. Then I will close it. Sketch is created on XZ plane. If I want to change the plane of this sketch, first I will click on sketch. In data tab, I will click on these three dots, and first you can see that the XZ plane is selected in this box. First, I will clear this and will select XY plane and click on OK. Now you can see that the support plane has been changed successfully. If I go to the top view by pressing 2 from the keyboard, we can see our sketch. Now I'll go to the isometric view and will add some padding to the sketch. I will click on sketch, padding, and enter the value 100 and click on OK. Now I want to create another sketch on this face. First, I will select the face and click on create new sketch. Then I will create a hexagon on this face and click on OK. This face is a support face of this hexagon. To make a top face the support face of this hexagon, then first I will right click on sketch, then add mesh editor. Now first I will delete this and select on reference one and will select top face. Now you can see that the hexagon is moved from this face to this face. We can change the position of hexagon by increasing or decreasing the value of x, y and z direction. In this way, we can change the support face and support plane of any sketch in FreeCAD. Thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification of new videos. Thank you.